Hello Fly Babies, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. My nose is itching today. I just did my weekly home blessing hour because it's Monday where I am, but it's Wednesday in your life. So I think the dust causes my nose to itch a little bit. Anyway, just so you know, it's 8:30 in the morning and it's all done. The only thing I have left to do is mop, and I couldn't mop the kitchen because Larry was standing in there, and I always mop the kitchen before the bathrooms. So that's all I have left to do. The laundry's going. I've got my sheets in there, just as an FYI. Okay, but that's not where we are. We're on Wednesday. So we have a 3-layer cake. If you are at home or working, you're still going to get up and do your morning routine before the family and then put the family through their routine. If you're not familiar with that, please watch my video, how to do the FlyLady system for newbies on my homepage. Be prepared to take notes. It is 40 minutes long, and it is very important that you watch this so you understand what I'm talking about every day. Okay, after you've done the morning routine, we're going to go straight into, well, if you're working, you're going to leave the home, all right? And when you come back, we're going to pick back up with you in just a minute. But for the rest of us, as the day progresses, we're going to put some laundry in, go through an inch of paper if you still have paper to declutter. If you do not, you no longer have a paper routine. Well, you do, but not that one. The only routine you'll have is when the mail or the kids' things come in, that you handle them immediately, and then you don't have any clutter. Yay! Okay, next is make sure you keep an ear out for the laundry. When the laundry is dry, well, it's done, you put it in the dryer, and once it's dry, you fold it or hang it up and put it away. Until you've done that, you've not done the laundry. Okay, next thing is we're going to stop with the routines now, and we're going to go into the very next thing. So if you're at home, we're going to do our second thing, which is our basic weekly plan for Wednesday. That is desk day and planning. So we're going to go to our kitchen, we're going to look at our refrigerator, our freezer, and our pantry. We're going to plan our menu. We're going to give a little clean out to the fridge, not a big one, just a little teeny, a little blessing. And then you're going to go to your desk, balance your checkbook, check your budget, make your grocery list, stay in budget, try to be $1 below for yourself. And anything else that needs to be handled in your inbox will be handled today. All right, so that is planning and desk day. And then the last thing you're going to do is the zone. The zone we're in this week is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So you can work in either the main bathroom. Now this is not the master bathroom. This is the main bathroom, or pick one other room, stick with that room this week, and work in that. And you might want to do 1 in one thing and 3 in the other, and that's fine, just not all in the same day. 4 different things to do, 4 major things, or you could do a bunch of little things, but no more than 5, 10, 15 minutes max. If you don't have the ability to clean because there is still clutter in those rooms, don't clean. You're going to declutter for 15 minutes 4 times this week. So today for 15 minutes. Remember, when you declutter, it's throw away, put away, give away, and then complete the process. All right, then when we're done with that, if you're at home, I want you to do a clutter check. Make sure you haven't left any mindless messes, and make sure the family has it. And don't take it personally, and don't fuss at anybody. You've done it too, or you have in the past. Just remind everybody to complete their process and instruct them to finish what they started. Go ahead and have them clean theirs up, and you clean yours up. All right, next thing we're going to do is, well, enjoy the day, because when we get to the next part, we're going to join our people who are payroll. So payroll people, come on home. Oh wait, payroll people, while you're at work today, on your lunch hour, think about delegating that basic weekly plan, that home blessing hour. Who's going to do that? Who's going to do that? So there are different steps, but pick somebody 9 years old or older and give them a job. Call them to remind them at lunch. Call them to remind them on your way home. When you get home, inspect what you expect. Now, when you get home, you're going to start a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper if you still have paper clutter, listen for your laundry, let it dry, fold it, hang it up, and put it away. Sprinkled in everything else you're doing. It's not impossible. You totally can do this. My goodness, you're a payroll fly baby. Look what you do all day at work. You could totally do a load of laundry. Come on. All right, next we're going to start dinner. While dinner is simmering, or whatever, holding in some way, you're going to work in your zone 3. So either the the main bathroom, not the master, the main bathroom, or that other room you chose, and do something in there. Okay, 15 minutes maximum, and that's only if you're decluttering. Cleaning is like 5 to 10 minutes. You don't have to work a full 15 minutes in there. So if you've delegated the weekly home blessing hour and you inspect what you expect, remember it's just a blessing. It's not a deep clean. Don't expect miracles. It's going to be rough, but it's okay. That's what a blessing is. A blessing still blesses your family. Okay? Remember now, if they're not doing it up to speed, what you know they can do, that's different. But if they're just little, they're 9, 10, 11, 12, and they haven't done a great job, you still say great job, and you go on with your life. Don't worry about that. Let that be a great job. Let it stand on its own. Okay, next thing we're going to do is start supper. Okay, we've got our supper done. We've done our zone 3. Now we're going to all come together, and we're going to do our after dinner routine. And now, once that's clean, the kitchen's clean, everybody's been fed, everyone's happy, you're calm, you don't have a load of things to do. Right now, if you're a payroll, you know you're working toward a free Saturday, except maybe the yard. You're working toward a free Saturday by having the weekly home blessing done and every day working in your zone. That's it. Now, your zone may include declutter. If you haven't decluttered, you're going to have to declutter, which is 15 minutes. But you can do 15 minutes. It's the equivalent of a break at work. You can do it. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get ready for bed. This is what we're focusing on this month, this summer actually. So if you're exhausted, please get yourself ready first. It'll help you get revived a little. Plus, you won't collapse in bed with your makeup on, okay? Because here's the rules. No makeup in bed, clean feet in bed, a little cream on your face, your hair brushed and in your PJs with your clothes in the dirty clothes, and you've looked at your planner and you've put dish soap in the dishwasher and run it, and you've wiped your sink. That's the plan. So if you go to bed with any of those things not happening, or you fall asleep on the couch, oh, and brush your teeth. If you fall asleep on the couch, a lot of that's not going to happen, or you're going to wake yourself totally up, which is not what you want to do when you're asleep. So let's do it if you're tired. If you're not tired, let's go ahead and get the kids handled first, because they have to be handled either way. They have to be observed and assisted and attended to, and you have to inspect what you expect. And again, you're going to do another clutter check before bed, right? Okay, so for you, go put your clothes in the dirty clothes, get your pajamas on. You may take a bath at night, so do that first. Make sure you've washed your face, put on some moisturizer, brushed your hair, put your jewelry away, and laid out your clothes for tomorrow based on your planner. Get them all laid out. Think about what perfume you're going to wear, what jewelry you're going to wear, how you're going to wear your hair. Think about it. You're important. You know what? Just like you planned for your little girl to get her all sweet and pretty for the day, the same for you. Your own little child needs to be attended to. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.